How's you had dyslexia?
It's really clear at the moment. Yeah.
What do you mean at the moment? It's finished. Jesus said?
It's finished at the cross.
Amen.
I mean.
Forever finished.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Awesome.
How does the dyslexia affect you?
I usually have to ask for help with spelling. Yeah.
So words get messed up?
Yeah. Yeah, and same with sounds. Yeah.
What do you mean sound?
I can't always hear the sounds in your words.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who's going to heal you?
Jesus. Been waiting for a long time.
Just turn this way. Lift your hold. Look at me. You can close your eyes. What does that feel like?
Felt like a windmill.
Like a what?
It felt like a whole lot of wind.
It's the power of God healing you. It's the power of Jesus healing you. Power of Jesus Christ healing you. Okay, I believe you're all right. I believe you're okay. So you're now able to, did you read today?
Yeah, read and sound out the words when I was writing. Yeah.
So you couldn't sound out words before?
No, not really.